Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2013 Audi A7. So we've paired the phone. All we need to do now is, if you go to, well, we'll go to iTunes, we'll go to music, we'll click on the record that's playing there. You'll see Audi MMI at the bottom. If you click on there, it gives you the choices of what the audio will play through. Now there's a tick next to Audi MMI, which means any audio that plays on this phone will come through this system if it's set up right. So I'm going to click play. I'm going to turn it down, but over here we go to media. I'll click on media. That's come on it straight away. If it doesn't, you'll see there source, copy, functions and settings. So those instructions correspond to these four buttons. So the top right one, source, is the top right next to this rotary control, and you'll see there it's on Barry's iPhone. So if I click it to there, audio CD, and then we do it again, we'll go back to nav, we'll click play on here, go over to the system, click media. That's on an audio CD. So what we do, we want source, which is this button. Click on source, turn it to iPhone, click on it, loading media. If I turn this up now, that's it playing. That's how you stream audio.